If you've ever thought, maybe YouTube just isn't for me, stop right there. I get it. You've been posting videos and putting in the effort, and yet it feels like nothing is working. But before you quit, I want to show you something, because 9 times out of 10, the problem isn't you. It's a few common mistakes that almost every creator makes. And once you fix them, everything changes. Hey, I'm Rob, and I help creators over 40 grow their YouTube channels without burning out. Let's be real, YouTube can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you've been putting in the hours and hours of work and the results don't seem to match the effort. I've seen it happen over and over again, but here's the good news. Most people quit for the wrong reasons, and in this video I'm going to break down the 3 big reasons people give up on YouTube and how you can overcome each one of them. Let's start with the obvious. YouTube is not instant gratification. You won't post a couple of videos and suddenly wake up with thousands of subscribers. Growth takes time. But what I've noticed, especially for creators over 40, is that many of us give up right before things start to click. It's like planting seeds in a garden and walking away before the plants ever sprout. The real challenge isn't whether YouTube works, it's whether you understand how it works. Because when you know what to expect and where to put your focus, the journey gets a whole lot easier. That's why we're going to look at the 3 biggest reasons creators quit. And I promise, once you see these clearly, you'll realize that you don't need to quit at all. You just need to make a small shift. The first reason people quit is not seeing results fast enough. And this is by far the most common reason people give up. You're posting, editing, uploading, and nothing seems to move. There's no views, no subscribers, no comments, and it feels kind of like shouting into the void. Here's what you need to know. YouTube isn't about luck, although some people seem to have some. But really, it's about people, real people. They click and watch videos for very specific reasons. So when you learn how to use curiosity in your titles and storytelling in your videos and clear value in your content, you stop guessing. You're no longer hoping the algorithm just kind of blesses you. You're creating videos that people want to watch. So ask yourself before you hit publish, would I click on this? Would I watch this all the way through? And if the answer is no, rework your title or your hook or your structure or all of it and experiment a little bit. Reason number 2 a lot of people quit is making videos that you don't actually enjoy. And this one's a little sneaky because a lot of creators pick a niche they think will grow fast, but deep down they don't really love it. And at first it might work. Maybe you get a little bit of traction, but sooner or later it becomes a chore and you start dreading recording day and you just don't want to do it anymore. So what's the solution? Well, you got to find an overlap between 3 things. That's what you love talking about, what you're good at, and what helps other people. The sweet spot is where YouTube becomes fun again. And when you enjoy the content you make, consistency stops being a battle. Reason number 3 people tend to quit is just burnout. Let's be honest, YouTube can feel like an endless treadmill. More ideas, more uploads, more editing. But most burnout doesn't come from the workload. It comes from doing the wrong work. If you're chasing trends you don't care about or grinding out videos you just don't enjoy very much, burnout is going to be inevitable. But when you're aligned with what you love and you're starting to see some results from that, the work feels quite a bit different. It still is some effort, but it's meaningful effort. So think of it like exercise. The same workout can feel like absolute torture, or it can feel energizing. And the difference is whether you see the payoff. And here's the key I want you to take away. Most people quit YouTube right before they find their rhythm. They've done the hard part, which is learning the basics and getting on camera and hitting upload, but they walk away before they adjust the small things that actually start to create results. It's kind of like climbing a mountain and stopping just short of the peak and saying, well, I guess this doesn't work. But here's the truth. YouTube does work for you, for me, and for anyone willing to keep going. If you can focus on three things: understanding what makes people click, creating content you actually enjoy, and managing your energy so you don't burn out. You can keep going long enough to see the results that you want. Remember, YouTube is not a sprint, it's a marathon, more so than any other platform. And the winners are not the ones who uploaded the most in 30 days. They're the ones who didn't quit after 30 days or even 300 days. So if you're thinking of quitting YouTube, just pause for a second, because chances are it's not that YouTube doesn't work. It's that you're hitting one of those three roadblocks we just talked about. You're frustrated with slow results, you're creating content you just don't enjoy creating, or you're burning out from doing it all the wrong way. The solution isn't to quit. The solution is to realign. Learn what makes people watch. Create videos that excite you and pace yourself for the long game. Do that, and I promise your YouTube journey will feel completely different. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever thought about quitting YouTube? I know I have. What was the reason, and what helped you keep going? Share your experiences in the comments below, because I read every single one and I'll do my best to respond too. And if you want more support on this journey, don't forget to grab my free Over 40 YouTube Starter Pack. That's in the description box below. It's got some tools and strategies to help you build your channel the smart way without burning out. Because YouTube isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. Trust me, I learned some tough lessons on that front, and this video explains it. I think you'll find it valuable. See you there.